Hey, hello guys. In this video, we're introducing about other type of our bucket elevator. So you can see in China, we use a lot of carbon steel frame plus rubber plate bucket elevators. I remember our Tanzania customer, they said they want stainless steel one. That's why we changed to stainless steel. But in China, we use a lot of this carbon steel frame, and plus we're resistance rubber bucket elevators. So the head and the toe sections are still made of carbon steel, whole thing carbon steel. But the middle sections, to save cost, the owner can choose to use this kind of rubber plate. So your owner can save money for the fertilizer bucket elevator because the bucket elevator using fertilizer plant for example, the steam drum granulation line is usually 14 meters maximum. Therefore, the stiffness of these are sufficient. So you can see these are the ready to be dispatched. Bucket elevator middle sections with the rubber plate. And if we take a look in here, you can see these are our other, you know, sections of the middle section bucket elevator with this rubber plate. And then this is the rubber we use as for the the, the the coatings of the middle section of the bucket elevator. And then it is also using Dongxing rubber. So if we take a look for the internal structures, so you can see this is our worker is manufacturing the middle section, and you can see it is fixed into the shell. It is lined into the shell using this compressor bar. You can see each compressor bar has screws, and it can be it can be loosened and it can be replaced. So that in fertilizer plant, actually using rubber is also a very good idea to save the cost and also to prolong the service lifetime. Yep. So thank you guys.